So we're going to solve this the way we've been doing the last couple days with a box method. Okay, y'all remember the box method? What goes in the top left box? Top left box. What do I put there? X squared. What about the bottom left box? Bottom right box? Negative 10. Does everyone know that those are the easiest ones, right? All right. Now, then, once we've put those two there, hey. All right, everybody, pay attention. Hey, so I'm looking for AC, right? If there's no number out front, it's 1. That's my A. Out here, this is my C. So 1 times negative 10, my AC value. So 1 times negative 10 is negative 10. What are the factors of negative 10? Starting with 1. 1 times what? One times what? How do I get negative 10? Negative 10. And then change the signs, negative 1 and positive 10. What else? Let's try, oh my gosh. Let's try 2. 2 times negative 5 works. And then negative 2 times 5. Cool. Now, I'm looking for which pair out of that gives me the B term, the middle term, which is negative 3. So which one of these 4 makes negative 3 when I add them together? 2 and negative 5, right? So go ahead and put those two numbers in the other two boxes with an x. So 2x, negative 5x, okay? Now, remember, each row and column you're going to factor. So what comes out of 2x and negative 10? What goes into 2 and 10? If they're both even. 2. 2 goes into 2, 2 goes into negative 10. Above that, what goes into x squared and what goes into negative 5x? Well, there's no number, but they both have an x, so x. And then vertically, same thing here, x squared and 2x, they don't have a number in common, but x is in common. Cool. And then last but not least over here, what is a common factor of negative 5 and negative 10? So 5 goes into itself, 5 goes into 10. And since the edge right here is a negative, I'm going to make sure I use a negative 5. So my answer will be x plus 2, x minus 5. That is my factored form, okay? Now, do you see at the top here where the assignment from the last 2 days, I only want you to do number 1 through 6, okay? The backside had some errors, so yeah. Now, okay, so y'all got the 7.2 notes? Okay, so I'm going to show you a way that's easier. Okay, so I want everyone to listen for a minute, okay? So, hey, in the back, headphones, please, thank you so much. Now, first things first, what does step 1 say? Verify A is what? 1, okay? So basically, if there's no number in front, this is the easier way to do it. Y'all want an easier way to do it than the box method, right? So this only works when A is what? 1. So here's what you can do. Don't even draw the box. Okay, if a is 1, just go ahead and start drawing your parentheses. Okay, so number 1, go ahead and draw your parentheses. Okay, and then what you're going to do is exactly what you were doing before. Put an X here, my bad. X here, X here. What you're going to do is, just like before, you're going to take AC, but don't forget A. A is 1 for sure. What is your C value? 15. And find the factors. What multiplies to make 15? 1 times 15, negative 1 times negative 15, and then 3 times 5, negative 3 times negative 5. All right. Okay, now which one of those adds up to make 8? What? 3 and 5? So you just put it in the, oh my gosh. You just put it in the parentheses here. And that's it. Now, obviously, you got to be able to make a factor table, see which one adds up to make the middle term. But do you see how? Don't even worry about the box if a is equal to 1. Okay, if the first number is no number or a 1, right? What about number 2? Is a equal to 1? There's no number in front of x squared, right? So go ahead and just make your 2 parentheses. And take that last number and find all the factors. 6 is 1 times 6. Negative 1 times negative 6. 2 times 3, negative 2 times negative 3. And that's it. Which one of those pairs will give you a positive 5 in the middle? 2 and 3, right? So all you got to do is put x plus 2 and x plus 3. It's a little easier, right? Only if a is 1. Okay, please remember, this will not work if a is not 1. Okay. Now, look at 3 and 4. What do you notice about 3 and 4? Is a equal to 1 down here? No, okay? But I want you to notice something. Look at number 3. 2x squared, 16x, and 14. All 3 of those numbers, 2, 16, 14, do they have a common factor? What goes into 2, 16, and 14? 2. Okay, 2 goes into 2, 2 goes into 16, 2 goes into 14. Hey, put that phone down. So what you're going to do is, first thing you're going to do is factor out that 2. Cool? So go ahead and rewrite this 2. And when you factor it out, just divide each one of these by 2. So you have now just x squared, you have 8x, and then you have 7. Do you see how all of them were kind of cut in half? Now is a equal to 1. Now there's no number right here in front of x squared inside. So now we can do the old-fashioned way. Just remember, that 2 is going to be floating out here outside of your parentheses, okay? So again, take that 7, find the factors. Which one gives me 8? 1 and 7, right? X plus 1, x plus 7. So sometimes you have to factor something out of everything. That's your first step. Number 4, is a equal to 1? No, but is there a common factor of 3, 21, and 18? What is it? 3. Divide all of these by 3. X squared, 7x, and then 6. Okay? What are the factors of 6? 1 times 6, negative 1 times negative 6, 2 times 3, negative 2 times negative 3. Which one of these will give me 7? 1 and 6 again. So don't forget that 3 still hangs out there. X plus 1, x plus 6. Cool. All right, so you're going to use these notes, okay? Please remember, yesterday and the day before, that assignment, you're just doing 1 through 6, box method. Now I'm giving you this one, and it's, you can, as long as x is equal to 1, or a is equal to 1 in front, easy, okay? Like that. The back might be more box method stuff, okay? But at least for sure do the front side of this page, cool? All right, I'm going to pass it out.